Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to write an essay using ChatGPT. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already signed in to my ChatGPT account, and you can do the same. If you have not, do sign in right now. Well, this is the website you have to go to log into ChatGPT, that is chat.openai.com. And now let's begin. In this message box that you will find at the bottom of the screen, what you need to simply write is, now this is my prompt, I'm simply going to submit it. Now ChatGPT has provided me with an outline. Looking at this, it will be quite easy to write my essay. But for instance, you want to write a whole essay using ChatGPT, what you can simply do is, on the message box right here, you can type, write an essay on your specific topic. After everything is done, simply submit it. And that's it guys, that's how you write an essay using ChatGPT. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.